Frank Harris B. Municipal Level Badminton Doubles. Abalos Jason Collado, Perfect Attendance Awardee. Congratulations to our grade 10 Ps, academic and non-academic awardees.
Okay, photo opportunity po with Ma'am Sally and with our dignitaries.
Congratulations once again to the honored completers and special awardees. Indeed, your parents are so proud of your achievements. And to recognize our academic awardees from the undergrad, let us start from grade 7 advisors. Mrs. Nirna P. Marquez for grade 7 Love, Mrs. Marjorie Galestre for grade 7 Hope, Mrs. Febelin R. Celine for grade 8 Obedience, Mr. Cesar de Gracia for grade 8 Honesty, Mrs. Michelle Ayadawan for grade 9 Respect, Mrs. Tyron Dahoy for grade 9 Unity, yours truly for grade 11 Einstein, and Mrs. Elsie Grace P. Fabro for grade 11 Newton. Once again, may we request the presence of our dignitaries in the person of Ma'am Mona Lisa Balaho, serving